And special thanks to our friends over at Dream Pairs who were nice enough to send us these leggy gray size 8 shoes. Little look around box. That's about it. Open these up, and inside paper of these nice, oh wow, look at that. Oh, that feels very soft. So have gray boot numero uno. Got a little zipper here. This part ties in the back. These are long. These are like knee highs. So I'm gonna open up both of these. Here's the second one. That's the shoes. So harder to see here on the table. So I'm gonna have my wife put these shoes on so you can see exactly what they look like right here. So these are the gray leggies from Dream Pairs. Some thigh-high gray shoes that look truly phenomenal. They have a little wedge heel in there that you can't really see from the outside, but it's pretty comfortable in terms of walking. And on the back, you can even tighten these if needed. These are, so far, I think one of your favorites, right?
Yeah. And I like the sole on them too. They've got some perfect sole.
Nice.
Yeah.
Well, thanks again to Dream Pairs, who was nice enough to send these to me. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.